Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test a Sekonic light meter model L-28C. For those who are interested in buying one online, sellers who need to test one for customers. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do, sellers, is you want to test to make sure it picks up light for your customer. And you can send them a detailed video, which is best on that. So sellers of eBay and wherever else online, you don't have to put any type of foolishness in there that you don't know how it works, or you don't know or don't care. You can actually show your customers a detailed video proving that it works. Alright, so here we go. What you want to do is first, on the lumisphere, and that's what this white thing that is right here. Don't touch it with your hands. You want to avoid getting the oils of your hands on it. It will screw up the reading. Alright, so you want to cover it with your hands is what you want to do in a dark area, and press this silver button in the center. When you do that, it will reset the needle up here. If you can see this, bring it in closer for you. This orange needle right up in this area here, back to 0. Okay, move that around so you can see it. Alright, so next all you need to do is take it out and see if it's going to pick up some light. Press the button, and as if you could probably tell, now the needle has jumped up to the upper portion of this screen right here. We're going to keep this very basic and novice for you in this video. So you can see the orange needle has moved up. This means that the Sekonic light meter works. Okay, that's a basic test to make sure it picks up light. If it would not pick up light, it would mean that one of the two cells inside were bad. There's only two inside of here, one that picks up dark subjects and one that picks up lighter subjects, and that's what makes it work. These Sekonic light meters do not need batteries, and for the user, they're very easy to operate once you learn how. But I'm sure that will be in another video and not this one. Moving on. Sellers, turn the Sekonic light meter to the back for your buyer, and buyers do request this. You want to make sure buyers and sellers that do has what is called a high slide. This can be removed just like so, and there could be a number of these that come with the model, and they're to be inserted at the top just like so for taking readings outside in very bright sunlight. Remove it, you simply remove it easily and put it back in. Moving forward. Next, sellers, you want to make sure that all the parts come for the light meter. The globe, which is meant to represent the human face, obviously that it's round. This other globe, which is flat, and the Luma grid. Alright, make sure it has those parts with it. And on the inside of the wallet, you'll be able to put them and place them within this part of the compartment here. Just like so. And that goes back on top to cover it up with the elastic strap. Moving on. Other than this, sellers, it would be a good measure, and for buyers to request from the seller, to check the dials and make sure that they turn smoothly and that's really just about it. I hope you have enjoyed this video on an L-28C Sekonic light meter. Again, they take no batteries. They're ready to go right out of the wallet once you know how to use them. And that will come in a future video Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Morbid Team Entertainment. Like and share our videos. Join our barter, buy, and sell group. And put a like on our page. And buyers, watch out for those scammers on eBay and other internet services. There's a lot going on. Always request detailed videos. If a seller blocks you, congratulate yourself. Then it's not worth buying from them if they will not send you a detailed video and photos and provide you with further information. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.